everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, I have just had a courier delivery. I have all 11 colours of the brand new spring collection from Ugly Duckling to show you. So I'm going to swatch them in a second and then I'm going to do a bit of a comparison. Now, I don't own all of the Ugly Duckling colours, but I do have them, probably about 75% of them, and I have them already swatched on these colour sticks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch the new colours, and then if there's anything in the same sort of colour family from the colours I already have, I'll show you them as well. I just wanted to show you the new bottles because the new bottles are absolutely gorgeous. They are a matte black and they've got this beautiful, beautiful logo, and then the colour again is on the top. And this is the old bottle, so it had the white writing, and the new one has this beautiful silver writing. So that's the only difference. It's just a really nice, lovely matte. And I actually really prefer the matte. I think the matte looks really, really nice. So I am going to stop waffling. I'm going to start the swatches and I will see you back at the end.
On its way out, I wasn't sober and I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your bravery, your wit and audacity, of coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me. Beside me, you held my hand in the dark. I started fighting, 'cause I was scared of it all. And isn't it glorious how love gets the best of us? Yeah, I got feelings, but I'm a tough one sometimes. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who.
Okay, so all done and top coated, and as you can see, I couldn't help myself. So I have finished off the first 6 in the matte top coat and then the other 5 here in the regular no white top coat. Beautiful, beautiful collection. I love how if you want to do a manicure that's got 3 shades in a similar family. You've just got those 3 shades here or 3 shades here. It's a beautiful, beautiful collection. It's fantastic for spring. This is absolutely stunning. This glitter is perfectly smooth. And depending on the light that you catch it, you can get a bit of a platinum vibe, you can get a bit of silver vibe, and it's a little bit gold as well. So it's a really different glitter compared to the other ones in the collection. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. I really hope those comparisons were helpful. As I said, I don't own the entire collection, but I do have a significant portion. So I think that I showed a good range of colours there. Now, I'm going to link these below. As I said in my previous video, Ugly Duckling UK is up and running and they do have these colours. If they are out of stock, I do know that there is a collection imminently due. So, thumbs up if you like the video. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box and I will get back to you. I will link all of these below and please subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate that support and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
And before you there was no one who understood.